Namaskar. Topic of the day is Madhutailika Vasti. In this today's session, we are going to discuss special uses of Madhutailika Vasti and its components. So let's move toward the screen. Madhutailika Vasti. As its name tells everything. Madhu means honey and Taila means Tila sesame oil. So main component of this Vasti is sesame oil and Taila, and that is also in equal amount or same amount. That is why it's called as Madhutailika Vasti. Madhutailika Vasti is practiced in two ways, Madhutailika Yapana Vasti and Madhutailika Niruha Vasti. Madhutailika Yapana Vasti is called so because we use in this Vasti Kshira Kshaya and Mamsa Rasa as a Drava Dravya, whereas in Madhutailika Niruha Vasti, Kashayam should be used as a Drava Dravya. So that is the difference, and that is the main point, practicing this Vasti in two ways. In Madhutailika Yapana Vasti, previous day Anuvasana Vasti is not needed. Directly you can call your patient and start with the Madhutailika Vasti. But if you are planning Madhutailika Niruha version, then you need to introduce Anuvasana before starting this Vasti. That is just the previous day. According to Acharya Shushrut, this Vasti can be given to the people who are really very sensitive, we cannot tolerate really very strong treatment. For those, this Vasti can be considered, and the situation where doshas are really milder, not very much aggravated, in those conditions also this Vasti can be given. In Mridu Koshti, there are three type of Koshta, Mridu Koshta, Madhyam Koshta and Krura Koshta. So in Mridu Koshta, this Vasti can be given. This Vasti is really very beneficial and safe, no significant adverse effects noticed, can be given at any time for longer duration with all special precautions, and its action is milder in body. Madhutailika Vasti can be used at any time and no bed rest is required. That's why this Vasti can be used at OPD level. Hospitalization is not really required. That's why this Vasti is called Yukta Ratha Vasti. This Vasti is used for curing many diseases and named as Siddha Vasti. Let's see the benefits of this Vasti. It really improves your digestive fire, your metabolism. That's why the first benefit is Dipana. It's really nourishing to your body. That's why it's called as Brahmana Vasti also. It improves your mental strength and physical strength, and that's how it improves your complexion. It is Nirupadrava, that means does not cause any complications. It acts as a fertility promoting, it acts as a rejuvenating also. This Vasti has another name, that is Padahina Vasti, because of its total amount, its total quantity, which is 1/4 lesser than that of Niruha Vasti. The standard dose of Niruha Vasti is Dwadas Prashrit, which comes around 1.2 liter. If you remove its 1/4 part, then it becomes the Padahina Vasti, and that is the Madhutailika Vasti. So don't get confused in these new words. Padahina Vasti, Yuktaratha Vasti and Siddha Vasti, these three names is given to Madhutailika Vasti only by its special qualities. Let's see the content. If you see the content, the quantity of Makshik, which is honey, and Sneha, which is Murchit Til Tela, is 200 ml. Madhu and Taila, Madhutailika. The reason behind its name. Lavnam is 15 gram. Its Kalka is 30 gram. Here Kalka you can use Shatahava Kalka. And Kashayam is 450 ml. If you are planning for Madhutailik Niruha. If you are looking for a Madhutailik Yapnam, then you have to add here Mamsa Rasa and Kshirakshaya. So total quantity of this Vasti is 900 ml, which is just 1/4 lesser than 1200 ml. That is why it is called Padahina Vasti. So in today's session we discussed the name, why it is called Madhutailika Vasti. It is practiced in two ways, Madhutailika Yapana, Madhutailika Niruha is special features that it can be used at any time. It can be used for the person who's really sensitive. It really improves your digestion, complexion, gives you strength. So these are the special features of this Basti and its ingredients or components. I hope you really liked the today's class, today's session. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it now. You can follow me on my Insta also, drsonika.3, where I keep posting different content related to Ayurveda and Panchkarma. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your attention. Enjoy your day. Wish you a great day. Happy learning. Thank you.